Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to do this trend, then you're at right place. So let's start with the video. You can do this trend with two applications. So the first one is Remini. Go to Play or App Store and install this application. I have already installed it. Now open the application. Cancel this page. Now here you will find a pictures option. Click on it and then follow what it says. Now you need to upload your 8 selfies. After uploading, click on Continue and then choose the pregnant air model. Now click on Use this model image. Now it has become paid, so click on Free Trial and then you can get your images. To use 3-day free trial, you have to add your all bank details. But if you don't want to do with this application, let's get on to the next application. So if you want to do it for free, then install Face Play application from Play or App Store. I have already installed it. Now open the application. When you will open the application, you will find the pregnancy effect on your For You page. If you don't see these here, then you can check on pregnant option given here. You can't get the pregnancy photos because it's premium, so choose the free video template available here. Now click on Free to use and add your photo from gallery. Now click on Confirm and wait for some time until it generates your video. The video will have a Face Play watermark, so if you want to remove it, you have to watch a 30-second advertisement. After watching the advertisement, save your video to gallery. Now go to your gallery and take a screenshots of all images from the video. Now after this, crop all images. Now after this, open TikTok. Now go to search option and search pregnancy filter. Now here you will find all the videos with the same trend. Now click on any one of the video and then click on try this template option given above the username. Now click on use this template and then click on use template and add your photos from gallery. Now click on preview. Now change the text. And then check your video. Now export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.